we go. First look inside. Here goes to the unboxing. This is how everything comes, as you guys can see. Oh, actually, it looks like I can pull everything with one hand. Came out with one hand. Well, that was easy. Let's drop this like that. And then here we got this. Open up the stuff with. Got some scissors. All right. Here's one. Let's take off these little pieces right here. So here you guys go. These obviously go together. These will go together. We got a screw here. We probably got a screw in the bottom for both sides. And let's put the last one here. Now let's open the hardware box that they come with. If you guys want to send me a knife, I'll greatly appreciate it, so I can do all these unboxing videos for you guys. Ooh. This is the base that's on the side, right? So these ones, if I'm not mistaken, they should go right there. Then we got these little brackets to hold it. We got more of those. And lastly, we got all the screws and some hooks. So here's the last look that you guys will get without a roof box, cargo box, whatever you call it. Oh! Last thing I wanted to do was to scratch it. And guess what I did? Just scratched it. I just wanted to look good for the pictures, and then later on it's gonna get banged up anyways. Now, I got a sunroof, so I want to make sure that it clears my sunroof, but I don't want it to be too back or too front. So let's see how we do it. So I think that's gonna be the perfect fit. So let me show you. So it's gonna be like halfway into the sunroof. Sunroof anyways just goes up to here, I believe, so it's just not gonna cover it that much, I'm hoping, because if I drop it, if I push it a little bit further, it's a little bit closer to the end, and I think it looks kind of off-centered. So that's the reason why I want to put it just a tad forward. It's gonna kind of cover the sunroof, which I do use a lot, but I think there it's still, it's not that far back, so it still looks okay, it looks perfect. Now I can put my LED light on the top or at the bottom, and I still be good. So let's do that. So now it comes with these brackets, right? So should be fairly easy to install. I live in the hood, okay? And in the hood, you want to secure your stuff. So I'm gonna put these on, but I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get a chain with the lac. I think that's what we need. All right, so the first one took me a minute to figure it out. However, essentially you want this to go like so. You want the top to be this metal piece at the top. Obviously you're gonna unscrew these, this metal piece is gonna come from the bottom, and then this goes in the top. And then you see these little grooves right there? It actually grabs the bars that it has, so it actually sits in flush, so when you time it, it kind of like holds it in place. So let's continue. Last one. All done. Everything took basically about 15 minutes to install it by yourself with no help. Now let me show you. So up here, I'm not gonna open that door because I don't want the noise, but essentially it's pretty simple. Crossbar, see it has that little loop right there. It loops and sits flush on this, and then the bars sit there, and just tighten it. I'm gonna get a chain and chain it here with the lock, just so I know it's safe at night or anywhere camping. You leave it, no one can take it. And also, if everything at any point this comes loose, with the chain is gonna grab it. So essentially, I'm pretty sure they sell locks for this, but I'm just gonna get like a plastic chain, plastic wrap, metal chain, so that way it doesn't scratch anything up. And then just put it there. But it's pretty sturdy. Let's see now how it looks. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm loving it. It's looking amazing. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. So as you guys see, we got new tires. We are gonna get some headlights in the future, some black housing ones. If you want to sponsor this video, let me know, because I'm more than happy. We're gonna put some yellow fog lights. We're gonna get the little bull bar in the front. I'm thinking of the chrome, turning it black, making it black, putting some LEDs at the bottom, so that way when you go camping, if you drop anything, turn on the white color and everything will be nice. These, I'm still thinking what to do with them, leave them the same color or paint them. We're gonna window tint the front. Right here, I wanna install some LED lights at the bottom, so when you open the door, those turn on. We got the decals coming for here. These are gonna be LED lights. We wanna get a different spare. This one is currently still locked, so I gotta go to the dealership to get that lock. And this tire, I believe, is still the OEM tire, and as you can see, it's severely cracked, so we cannot rely on this whatsoever. Obviously, tow hitch, another decal, looking nice, looking mighty sexy right here. But there you guys go. We have a few more plans for it, and I hope you guys are enjoying the process. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that looks. We got new wheels, we got the basket on the top, and when you go around, we got boss of the house. We got the beautiful sand wheel. I really wanted to come get